Hey guys, we got a customer here who's complaining about water coming through the ceiling. Let's go in and see what's going on. Stay tuned. Knock, knock.
Hi.
Hey, I've come to see about this water.
Right.
All right, can I come in and see?
Yeah, please.
All right, thank you. Whew. All right, show me what's going on.
Yesterday, last night when I came home, I saw the stain.
Oh my word.
Yeah.
All that happened in one day?
Yeah, I thought it was from the rain, but it hasn't rained since yesterday.
Holy smokes.
Yeah.
Where's your attic access?
Right.
All right, I'm gonna crawl up there real quick. Watch your head. Go and go through if you're going. Whew. Ow. Whew. Ooh. Y'all see this? I am seeing a mist coming from somewhere. This is under pressure, whatever it is. Oh my, here we go, right here. Hold on a sec, I got to get a... What is that too? I have no idea what that is too. Let's see if I can turn it off and stop it. What in the world? Not the air conditioner. Not that that's a wonderful install, but it's not the air conditioner. That pin's not lined up under the air handler. Okay. They have tapped into a water line to supply water to the refrigerator. Let me call. Okay, this is easy to turn off. I'm trying to get a hold of the property management company and send them that video that I just took so that we can get a plumber out here right away.
Yeah, that yellow guy.
No. What kind of doctor are you, if you don't mind me asking?
Psychology? I thought you could shut it off from that valve there. No? That valve?
It's possible. Let me see if I can get this first.
Well, I mean, if you shut it off from here, I can turn it back on.
Oh, holy smokes.
Yeah, it'll be easier.
Okay. Let me see if I can just get this to turn. He's gonna have somebody out here, okay? I prefer to cut it off this way.
Yeah, but isn't this valve much easier? Just turn the valve off.
Forgive me, please let me do this.
I'm sorry?
Please let me get this. I'm trying to keep your ceiling from flooding, okay? There. That should be good. Well, guys, in that case, it was not the air conditioner. I was glad it was not. But that's a pretty serious problem. I got in touch with the management company, and they're getting a plumber out there right away. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, how about like and subscribe? If you're interested in becoming an ACiQ dealer, I'm posting some pictures of an install that we did yesterday. Check out the link in the description. I'll be posting those on Instagram. Catch you on the next one.